Hello everyone, today I'm going to show 5 best 3D printers you can buy in 2025. Check link in the description and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. The video number 5, Flash Forge Adventurer 5M. When it comes to 3D printing, the Flash Forge Adventurer 5 meters stands out as an exceptional choice for both beginners and seasoned makers alike. After extensive hands-on testing, we can confidently say that this printer combines user-friendliness with impressive performance, making it one of the best options on the market. One of the standout features of the Adventurer 5M is its intuitive design. The fully enclosed build chamber not only enhances safety, but also improves temperature stability, allowing for consistent prints across a variety of materials. The quick assembly process means you can get started with your projects in no time. And the touchscreen interface is straightforward, making navigation a breeze. In terms of print quality, the Adventurer 5M excels. It produces detailed and precise prints with a layer resolution that can go down to 50 microns. Whether you're creating intricate models or functional prototypes, the quality is impressive, rivaling that of much higher-priced printers. Additionally, the printer supports a variety of filaments, including Playa, ABS, and TPU, giving you the flexibility to explore different projects. Another feature worth mentioning is the built-in camera that allows for remote monitoring of your prints through the Flash Forge app. This is particularly useful for those who want to keep an eye on their projects from afar, ensuring that everything is going smoothly. The printer also includes a filament sensor that pauses the print if the material runs out, saving you from potential print failures. Number 4. Solvo T500 is making waves in the 3D printing community, and for good reason. After thorough testing and evaluating various models, it's clear that the T500 strikes an impressive balance between performance, build quality, and affordability. One of the standout features of the Solvo T500 is its robust build. Constructed with a sturdy metal frame, it offers stability that many entry-level printers often lack. This design not only enhances print quality, but also contributes to the printer's longevity. The large print volume of 300 by 300 by 400 millimeters provides ample space for larger projects, making it an excellent choice for creators looking to push their boundaries. The T500 is equipped with a direct drive extruder, which allows for smooth filament feeding and improves the overall printing experience. This feature makes it particularly adept at handling flexible filaments, a task that can be challenging for many other printers. Pair this with the dual Z-axis design that ensures consistent layer height, and you have a recipe for high-quality prints with minimal hassle. Another significant advantage of the Solvo T500 is its user-friendly interface. The large color touchscreen is intuitive and easy to navigate, making setup and operation a breeze for both beginners and experienced users alike. Additionally, the printer is compatible with various slicers, allowing users the flexibility to choose their preferred software. The T500 also includes several thoughtful features that enhance its usability. With a power recovery function, you can rest easy knowing that if there's a power. Number 3. Creality K1 Max is a game-changer in the realm of 3D printing, designed to meet the needs of both novice and experienced makers alike. After extensive testing of various 3D printers, it's clear that the K1 Max stands out for its impressive performance, user-friendly features, and robust build quality. One of the most striking aspects of the Creality K1 Max is its large build volume, which allows for the creation of larger models without compromising detail. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to tackle ambitious projects or create prototypes. The printer boasts a heated bed that ensures excellent adhesion and minimizes warping, which is crucial for successful prints. The K1 Max comes equipped with advanced technology, including an intuitive touchscreen interface that makes operation a breeze. Setup is straightforward, and the printer is ready to go in a matter of minutes, even for those who are new to 3D printing. Additionally, the printer supports a variety of filament types, giving users the flexibility to experiment with different materials. From playa to petty and beyond, print quality is where the K1 Max truly shines. The precision of the prints is remarkable. Details are crisp, and layer adhesion is strong. Whether you're working on intricate designs or simple models, the K1 Max delivers consistent results that will impress even the most discerning users. In terms of reliability, the Creality K1 Max does not disappoint. It features a sturdy frame that minimizes vibrations during printing, contributing to... Number 2. Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo has quickly established itself as a standout option for both novices and seasoned 3D printing enthusiasts alike. After extensive testing and analysis, we can confidently say that this printer offers a remarkable blend of performance, versatility, and user-friendly features at an attractive price point. One of the most impressive aspects of the Kobra S1 Combo is its robust build quality. The printer boasts a sturdy frame that minimizes vibrations, ensuring high precision in every print. The large build volume allows for a variety of projects, whether you're creating intricate models or larger prototypes. Plus, the heated bed ensures excellent adhesion and reduces warping, which is crucial for successful prints. User experience is where the Kobra S1 truly shines. The intuitive touchscreen interface makes navigation a breeze, even for beginners. The printer comes partially assembled, which means you can get started with minimal setup time. Additionally, Anycubic includes a wealth of resources, including tutorials and community support, which can be invaluable for those just starting their 3D printing journey. Print quality is exceptional with detailed layers and vibrant colors. When using quality filaments, the printer supports multiple filament types, including Play, ABS, and PETG, making it a versatile choice for different printing needs. We were particularly impressed with the accuracy and consistency of the prints, which rival those from much more expensive models. Another standout feature is the Kobra S1 Combo's automatic bed leveling system. This technology significantly simplifies the calibration process. Number 1. Creality K2 Plus Combo is a game-changer for both novice and seasoned 3D printing enthusiasts. After extensive testing, it's clear that this all-in-one package combines ease of use, versatility, and high-quality output, making it a standout in the crowded 3D printing market. One of the most impressive features of the K2 Plus is its user-friendly interface. The setup process is a breeze, thanks to the clear instructions and intuitive touchscreen. Within minutes, you can be up and running, making it ideal for those who are new to 3D printing. Additionally, the auto bed leveling feature ensures a Kaizo's hassle-free calibration process, helping you achieve perfect prints right from the start. When it comes to print quality, the K2 Plus does not disappoint. It produces detailed and precise prints with a smooth finish, whether you're creating intricate models or functional prototypes. The printer supports a wide range of filament types, including PELA, ABS, and TPU, giving you the flexibility to experiment with different materials and designs. Durability is another strong suit of the K2 Plus. The robust construction and high-quality components ensure that it can handle extended